Brad Williams, XL Prime. Show only last line from a line split. Well, if somebody set something like this up, they're a bonehead. All right, this is just irresponsible from my point of view. And let's say this was handed off to you because the bonehead set this thing up, and your job is to say, I have to fix and clean this mess up. Notice that there's 3 broken lines here, or splits, and you need to break this up sentence by sentence or line by line. We can use this trim right substitute. I'm not a fan of this. I'm not even a fan of even commenting on something like this. If this is your job to clean up, this is what we're going to do. Trim right substitute. Character 10, repeat, and you're going to go, what? Yeah. First and foremost, this is just impossible to translate. 2, the way to clean it up, just look at the right function. We're going to use this substitute. We're going to use this character 10. Because we did set this thing up using character 10, we're going to have to reverse it. We're going to flood every one of these character 10s with a bunch of blanks. Then we're going to use the trim function to clean it up. The trim removes all spaces. The right function is going to remove everything from a certain point left. The substitute function, it's a find and replace. All we're doing is replacing A with B. And the character 10, find and replace text. Well, character 10 right here, space. That's it, character 10. Here, repeat. This is 210 spaces here. Substitute, B5, character 10, repeat 210. We're going to put 210 spaces. You're going, what? What? Yeah, I always do that too. What? Because you can't see it. Remember, we repeated 210, and there's actually spaces here. If you go len C26, there's 470 spaces. Got that? What it looks like in the end, a bunch of spaces here, a bunch of spaces here, a bunch of spaces there. And all we do is we go right, substitute. What we're doing is going from here, text, number of characters, text, F9. You can't even see it. Let's try this. Characters, replace, 210, F9. You can't see it. So visualize. This is going to be 412 follow-up is going to be how many characters equals len. There's 191 spaces here. What we're doing is essentially removing. Remember, okay, 2/3/2029, there's going to be 210 spaces after order. There's going to be 412, there's going to be those 210 spaces. We're going to remove the 210 of those. I know it's hard to visualize. That's the way it works. We're going to go right, substitute, and this thing just won't show number of characters. We're going to show 210 characters, which includes the 19. We're going to start right. We're going to go left. We're going to count 210 characters. You're saying, well, won't I run into this second bunch of numbers? No, because 4/12/2029 is included. We won't run into the order. And then from that point forward, we're removing everything above. But that's the way it works. Break it down piece by piece in a larger environment, okay? I kind of squeezed this together in order to present this tutorial. Break it down where you can see 210. 210 is just an arbitrary number. You can use 40 to visualize it, or you can take this 19 and just use, you see where we use number of characters, 210. You can use 25. Yeah, you use probably 25, and then you can actually see what's going on. That's my suggestion. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.